Go ahead and record this while country chef. Go ahead and take my video like you always do. I just think I don't really care. It's just the fact that it's just shady, and it's kind of creepy that someone that I never met in my life would be so fixated on me, have a fixation on me. Like, especially Wads was stalking me and taking my videos. Like, and that's a bit weird and creepy, I think. That's just my opinion. But I'm not a moral scholar. I have moral standards, but I'm not a professional. I can't hire a private detective to crack the case. So what's the use? Why try? What's the point? What's the use? It's unnerving, and it doesn't really make me nervous or scared or anxious, but I'm like, well, what's the purpose behind taking my videos and material and using them on a whole different channel? And I'm not only talking about him, there's other numerous people doing the same thing. I don't think that YouTube, the company, the corporation, should allow that, but this is my 2 cents. But I'm not here to complain or fuss. I'm here to review these combo pepperonis right here to see how the flavor folds out and how they dish out the flavor, and if they could pump up good taste with these within this package. Comes at 6 ounces. Combo stuffed snack pepperoni pizza. Had them before in the past. It's just been a little while since I've tried them, but I'm basically here just to let you guys know if it really does taste like pepperoni, or if it straight out tastes like pepperoni straight up, you know. We're gonna find out though. It says natural artificial flavoring. The back of it says crunchy oven baked, so they're oven baked cracker loaded with pepperoni and cheese flavor. It's enough to make a pizza maker smile. Well, I heard maggots love these. Wait a second. Was I just talking about the trolls on my channel? I was referring to the trolls. Those are the maggots. But I'm about to open this here. This is what it looks like. It quite does taste like pepperoni. Man, they're the shit. They're really good. They slap. Man. They hit home run. Definitely above the box, on point with flavor. Above the box. They score on these. I could go ham on these. Slam dunk this whole bag. My muscle. If I work out, I want my muscles to get bigger. Not for vanity reasons, just... Man, I was watching this video. Dude's doing steroids. I'm like, what the fuck? Muscles down here and up here. I'm like, it was gross as fuck. Why the fuck would people do shit like that? Fuck. We're living in really a fucked up world. Nowadays it's the worst decline of times. decline of the days on Earth. More killings, more murders, more crimes committed than any other time in our history. More chaos, more riots. Road rage is getting out of hand. People murdering other people is getting out of hand. We're living in terrible times, very terrible times right now. I can't believe every time I put the news on, it's depressing. I blame it on the new generation. A lot of it. And the COVID. I give those combos a perfect 5 out of 5. They were excellent. Very decent. Really tasty. Oh man. They were fabulous. Marvelous. Very marvelous. Give them a 5 out of 5. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys again sometime with another review.